Good morning, and welcome to our class on Homer's Odyssey, the world without fathers. Our world has long valued Homer and what he has to teach us. Now, historians generally agree that the events of the Trojan War occur around 12,000 before Christ. But the records that there is such a thing as a written version of the Iliad and the Odyssey do not appear until around 800 BC. And we'll see that divine justice must be served.
The town. In line 457, bloody death had caught the suitors, and men and women in a murmuring crowd gathered before Odysseus' hall. They gave burial to the piteous dead, or bore the bodies of young men from other islands down to the port. Then all the men went grieving to assembly, and being seated rank by rank,